Today we are going to learn about effective GitHub repository branch strategies. We'll explore various branching strategies to enhance collaboration and maintain code quality, equipping you with skills to implement and manage these strategies effectively.
Welcome to our course on effective GitHub repository branch strategies. In the world of software development, managing code efficiently is critical. Branching strategies define how teams manage changes and collaborate on code. Choosing the right strategy can significantly impact your team's productivity and the quality of your code. In this video, we'll cover key branching strategies, including feature branching, Gitflow, trunk-based development, release and hotfix branches, and more. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to implement these strategies in your projects, enhancing collaboration and maintaining high code standards.
Branching strategies are systematic approaches to managing changes in a codebase. They determine how branches are created, merged, and deleted, influencing collaboration and workflow efficiency. There are several branching strategies, each tailored to different project needs. The choice depends on factors such as team size, project complexity, and release frequency. Common strategies include feature branching, where each new feature gets its own branch, Gitflow, a more structured approach with separate branches for development, releases, and hotfixes, and trunk-based development, which emphasizes frequent integration. By understanding and implementing the right strategy, teams can streamline development processes, reduce conflicts, and enhance code quality. However, challenges such as merge conflicts and branch management overhead need to be addressed through effective planning and tools. Feature branching is a popular strategy where new features are developed in isolated branches off the main codebase. This isolation allows developers to work on features independently without affecting the main branch. The primary benefit is that it enables parallel development, where multiple features can be worked on simultaneously, reducing bottlenecks. Implementing feature branches involves creating a new branch for each feature, developing and testing the feature in that branch, and merging it back into the main branch once complete. Effective management requires regular updates from the main branch to keep feature branches up to date, reducing integration issues later. However, developers must be cautious of long-lived feature branches, which can drift significantly from the main branch, leading to complex merge conflicts. Clear naming conventions and a disciplined merging process can mitigate these challenges. Gitflow is a robust branching strategy that introduces a clear workflow with distinct branches for different purposes. It utilizes two main branches, develop for ongoing development and master for production-ready code. Feature branches are created from develop for new features, while release branches are used to prepare for production releases, allowing for final bug fixes and testing. Hotfix branches are derived from master to address urgent issues in production, ensuring they are resolved quickly and efficiently. The advantages of Gitflow include well-organized code management and structured release cycles. However, it can be complex for smaller teams or projects with frequent releases, as it involves multiple branches and merges. Successful Gitflow implementation requires discipline and a clear understanding of the workflow, ensuring smooth collaboration and high-quality code delivery. Trunk-based development is a streamlined branching strategy that emphasizes continuous integration and frequent merging into the main branch, or trunk. This approach minimizes the number of long-lived branches, reducing complexity and merge conflicts. Development teams work directly on the trunk, integrating changes regularly, which keeps the codebase up to date and simplifies releases. The main advantages of trunk-based development include faster release cycles, improved collaboration, and easier conflict resolution. However, it requires rigorous testing and automation to ensure that frequent merges do not introduce instability into the codebase. Teams adopting this strategy must invest in robust C/CD pipelines and maintain a culture of discipline in code reviews and testing. While it can be challenging to implement initially, the long-term benefits of streamlined workflows and high code quality make trunk-based development a powerful strategy for many teams.
Release branching is a strategy that focuses on stabilizing the code for a new version release. This approach involves creating a release branch from the development branch, where final bug fixes and testing occur. It allows teams to prepare for production without halting ongoing development work. Release branches are crucial for implementing versioning strategies, ensuring that each release is well documented and stable. They also provide a dedicated space for addressing release-specific issues separate from the main development efforts. Once the release is finalized, the branch is merged into the main branch and tagged for version control, ensuring a clear history of changes. While release branching adds an extra layer of management, it helps maintain a stable and reliable product, especially for teams with scheduled releases. Successful integration of release branches requires clear versioning conventions and disciplined branch management to ensure smooth transitions from development to production. Hotfix branches are a critical component of effective branching strategies, designed to address urgent issues in production quickly. When a significant bug or security vulnerability is discovered, a hotfix branch is created from the main production branch, allowing developers to isolate and fix the issue without disrupting ongoing development work. The quick resolution process involves making the necessary changes, testing them thoroughly, and merging the hotfix back into both the production and development branches. This ensures that the fix is applied across all relevant parts of the codebase. The primary advantage of hotfix branches is their ability to minimize disruption to the production environment while maintaining continuous development efforts. However, teams must manage hotfix branches carefully to avoid introducing new issues or conflicts. Clear communication and a structured process for testing and merging are essential to ensure that hotfixes are implemented smoothly and effectively. Long-lived branches, while sometimes necessary, present unique challenges in code management. These branches, often used for significant features or experimental work, can drift significantly from the main codebase, leading to complex integration conflicts. Keeping long-lived branches up to date with the main branch is crucial to minimize these conflicts. This involves regular merges from the main branch and thorough testing to ensure compatibility. Strategies for managing long-lived branches effectively include clear planning, frequent communication, and disciplined merging practices. It's essential to balance the stability of the main branch with the need for innovation and development. By establishing clear guidelines and maintaining regular updates, teams can harness the benefits of long-lived branches without compromising code quality or workflow efficiency. This requires a collaborative effort and a commitment to best practices in branching and integration.
Automation plays a crucial role in managing branches efficiently, reducing manual overhead, and enhancing consistency across workflows. Various tools, such as Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab C/CD, provide automated solutions for branch management, including automated testing, merging, and deployment processes. These tools help streamline workflows, reduce human error, and ensure consistent application of branching strategies. By integrating automation into branch management, teams can enhance efficiency, allowing developers to focus on coding rather than administrative tasks. Best practices for automation include defining clear workflows, utilizing version control integrations, and ensuring comprehensive testing coverage. Implementing automation requires an initial investment in setup and training, but the long-term benefits of improved productivity and reduced errors make it a worthwhile endeavor. By leveraging automation tools, teams can manage branching strategies more effectively, ensuring smooth and continuous delivery of high-quality code. Choosing the right branching strategy is a critical decision that can significantly impact your team's development efficiency and code quality. Several factors influence this choice, including team size, project complexity, release frequency, and organizational culture. Assessing these elements helps determine the most suitable strategy, balancing complexity with efficiency. It's important to recognize that branching strategies are not static. They may need to adapt over time as projects evolve and team dynamics change. Implementing best practices, such as using automation tools, maintaining clear documentation, and fostering a collaborative culture, ensures that the chosen strategy remains effective. Regular reviews and feedback loops can help refine and adjust strategies to meet changing needs. By carefully considering these factors and remaining flexible, teams can implement branching strategies that support their specific goals and enhance overall productivity.
Real-world examples and case studies provide valuable insights into how different branching strategies are implemented successfully in various organizations. Industry leaders such as Google, Microsoft, and Facebook have shared their experiences in managing branches to support massive codebases and distributed development teams. These examples highlight the importance of adapting strategies to fit unique project needs and organizational cultures. Lessons from these companies include the benefits of trunk-based development for rapid deployment, the structured approach of Gitflow for complex projects, and the flexibility of feature branching for innovation. Common challenges, such as managing merge conflicts and balancing stability with development, are addressed through best practices and innovative solutions. By examining these real-world applications, teams can gain insights into overcoming challenges and implementing effective branching strategies tailored to their specific requirements. These case studies emphasize the importance of continuous improvement and adaptation in maintaining successful branching strategies.
As technology continues to evolve, branching strategies are also adapting to new trends and innovations in software development. Emerging trends in version control include the increased integration of DevOps practices, which emphasize continuous integration and delivery, C/CD. These practices drive the need for more adaptable and automated branching strategies. Incorporating AI and machine learning into branch management tools offers the potential for predictive analytics, automated conflict resolution, and enhanced decision-making processes. Shifts in collaboration practices, driven by remote work and distributed teams, are influencing how branches are managed and merged. Preparing for these future developments involves staying informed about technological advancements, investing in training and tools, and fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. By embracing these trends, teams can ensure that their branching strategies remain effective and relevant, supporting the ever-changing landscape of software development. In conclusion, effective GitHub repository branch strategies are essential for managing code, enhancing collaboration, and maintaining high code quality. We've explored various strategies, including feature branching, Gitflow, trunk-based development, and more. Each strategy offers unique benefits and challenges, and the choice depends on your team's specific needs and goals. Implementing best practices, such as automation and clear documentation, ensures the success of your chosen strategy. Remember, branching strategies are not static. Continuous improvement and adaptation are key to keeping them effective. We encourage you to explore additional resources, engage with communities, and experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your team. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your branching strategy journey.